Have you ever wondered how the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act intersects with the concept of intrusion on seclusion? Well, you're about to unravel the complexities of this intriguing intersection. Let's delve into the realm of the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, or Fdcpa, a federal law that offers consumers protection against abusive, unfair, or deceptive practices by debt collectors. Specifically, we're looking at Section 1692C, which regulates the communication a debt collector can have with a consumer. This section prohibits contact at inconvenient times or places, or direct contact when the collector knows the consumer is represented by an attorney. Now, enter the concept of intrusion on seclusion. This is a form of privacy tort where someone intentionally intrudes, physically or otherwise, upon the solitude or seclusion of another. Think of it as an unwanted guest in your private space. So you may ask, how do these two areas intersect? It's simple. A debt collector, by violating Section 1692C of the Fdcpa, can potentially intrude upon a debtor's seclusion, leading to a possible claim for intrusion on seclusion. To illustrate, imagine a debt collector repeatedly calling a debtor late at night, knowing full well that the debtor works early mornings. This could be seen as an intrusion on the debtor's seclusion, providing a basis for damages under the Fdcpa. Claiming damages under the Fdcpa for privacy violations follows a certain legal framework. First, the debtor must prove that the debt collector's action was intentional. Then, they must demonstrate that this action would be deemed offensive to a reasonable person. Finally, they must show that this action caused anguish or distress. Remember though, the debtor doesn't need to prove actual damages to be successful in their claim. The Fdcpa allows for statutory damages up to $1,000 even without proof of actual damages. However, proving an intrusion on seclusion can strengthen a debtor's case and potentially lead to additional damages. In conclusion, the intersection of the Fdcpa and intrusion on seclusion provides a fascinating insight into how the law protects individuals from invasive debt collection practices. It's not just about regulating debt collectors, it's about preserving the dignity and privacy of individuals. We've covered the legal framework for claiming damages under the Fdcpa for privacy violations and how proving an intrusion on seclusion can strengthen a debtor's case. We've explored scenarios where debt collectors' actions might lead to both Fdcpa and privacy law violations and the potential legal remedies available to the affected individuals. Remember, the law is there to protect you. If you feel your rights have been violated, don't hesitate to seek legal counsel. Knowledge is power, and understanding these concepts can help you navigate the complexities of debt collection practices. And that, my friends, is the power of law in action. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and remember, your rights matter, and follow Residual Joe for more educational videos.